Welcome back everyone. So getting any kind of a blue screen, black screen or any problem loading our Windows is a very common problem now for all the Windows user. But today in this video, I'm going to share a few most powerful CMD command that will be helping us to avoid any kind of upcoming blue screen on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now what exactly I mean by the upcoming blue screen, like you can fix all these problems prior, like you can repair the system file, you can fix the corrupted file so that it should not give you the blue screen in the future. And I would recommend you to run this command at least once in a month or twice in a month so that all the time your file should be repaired and run without any kind of problem. So let's start with the DISM command, that is deployment image, servicing and the managing. Now the DISM command manages the entire Windows image that contains all the files like the system file, the boot configuration file and the driver file. So whenever these files get corrupted or have any problem, then only you get many kind of blue screen problem. So now what we can do, we can prior repair these kind of file, and for that you will have to bring up the command prompt, click on your Windows search, type CMD, right click on the command prompt, click run as admin. Click on yes. So the very first command that you will have to run will be DISM /online /cleanup image /CheckHealth. And all these commands you will be getting in the description. You can copy, make a right click here, and it will be automatically pasted. Now once you run this CheckHealth command, on my end you can see no component store corruption detected. The operation completed successfully. So on my end it says there is no any kind of corruption, so you are good to go. But probably you may find some kind of corruption and it will let you know. So whatever message you get, it's also recommended that you should deep scan the file here. And for that, you can run the another command, DISM online cleanup image ScanHealth. So again you can copy the command, make a right click, paste it and hit the enter key. And it says deployment image servicing and management tool. So now it will be scanning your system image file, the Windows image file, and it will let you know if there any kind of problem or not. So it may take some time, so you will have to wait until it's all been 100% completed. Alright, so finally the scan has been completed 100% and it says the component store is repairable. So probably it's indicating us that there are some files that can be repaired and we have to repair it. Now again, this message can be different on your end, or it can say that no component store was being corrupted, anything, whatever you get. Now next what you have to do, you have to go ahead and repair all these files. And in order to repair them, we have the next DISM command, that is DISM online cleanup image RestoreHealth. So copy the command, paste in the CMD and hit the enter key. So this time the DISM command will try to repair all these kind of files that have been corrupted and which can become the cause in the future of a blue screen. So once we will repair them, the chances are that we will not be getting any kind of blue screen in the future. At least due to the any kind of corrupted file of the system image or any file related to the operating system. Okay, so again you will have to wait until it's all been done. Okay, finally the last command is also being completed and it says the restore operation completed successfully. So if there has been any kind of corrupted file or any kind of problem, then now it has successfully repaired them, and the restoration basically it's done using the Windows update, the file of the Windows update that has been installed on your device. Now in case if you are running this kind of a scan because you have multiple problems, or in case if this all command doesn't work for you, additionally what you can do, instead of running with the current Windows image, you can use a new Windows image. For example, I'm using Windows 11 here and I think so that my current Windows image might be corrupted, so I can use basically a new Windows image. So for that you will have to open up any of your browser and you will have to download the Windows 11 or Windows 10 ISO, whichever you are using. Go with the basic steps here, download the ISO file, and once it gets downloaded, now you will have to open the folder, right click on the ISO click on mount, and once it gets mounted, you have to check here the location, the path of the drive, and then you will be getting this another command here. You have to copy this command and you have to replace this D drive here with your drive letter where the ISO has been mounted. Whatever it is, you can just type here, and rest it will be remaining the same. Then right click again, choose copy. Again make a right click here in the black window, paste it and hit the enter key. And again this will be scanning and repairing your Windows image with the new downloaded Windows 11 ISO. So overall what I can say that this DISM will be restoring method will be more effective than the previous one. Alright, so again you will have to wait until it's all been done. Alright, so once the DISM command is completed, now we can move with the next command, that will be sfc space /Scannow. Now this command in Windows is scan and repair the protected system file, including the DLL file as well, and if there is any corruption, it will be successfully repairing them. And the command is very simple. You will have to type sfc space /Scannow and again hit the enter key. So again this command will be also scanning the system file, so you will have to wait until it's all been 100% completed. Okay, so once all these two commands get completed, now we can move with the next one, that is the MRT command, and basically it's a tool from the Windows that help you to find any kind of viruses or any kind of malware. Now why I'm recommending this command? Because any kind of blue screen or any other Windows problem can also be due to any kind of malicious file or any kind of infection. So very simple command, type MRT and hit the enter key. And it will bring up this kind of Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool, and you will have to click on next. Now it gives you three different options here: quick scan, full scan, or the customized scan, where you can choose what exactly you want to scan. So this can be useful for you if you have the problem with any kind of external drive or any kind of USB or pen drive. Now I would recommend you here that you should go with the full scan here. Of course, it will take a long time, but yes, it will be deeply scanning all the system file and everything. If there is any kind of infection, then it will let you know. Alright, so just run the scan. And now finally, we can move with the last command, that is the chkdsk, which will basically scan the file system, the sector, and fix error of your disk. So type chkdsk space /f space /r space /x, and again hit the enter key, and it says chkdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restart? And I believe that you might be also get the same message, so you will have to type the Y key here and hit the enter key, and it says this volume will be checked the next time the system restart. Okay, so you will have to wait for the MRT command here, and once it get completed, now I can close as of now because I'm only demonstrating you. So let's assume that we get this kind of message only, and if there will be any malicious software detected, it will automatically remove it. Now finally, we have to go ahead and restart the computer, and it says to skip disk checking, press any key. So please don't press any key because it will not be checking the disk here. And now you can see the process has been started, and now it will be scanning and checking and repairing your disk for any kind of problem. Alright, so again wait for some time, and once you have done all these commands, once you have followed all the instructions, now the chances are that you will not be getting any kind of blue screen or any problem that might occur because of any corrupted system file or any kind of Windows image file. And so I would recommend you guys that please run these commands at least once in a month. I will leave all these commands in the description. You can copy them and paste somewhere in your notepad and save it to your desktop. And that's all guys for today. Hopefully you found this information useful. If yes, do not forget to like and subscribe. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.